In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar with Zapier. We'll be creating a simple automation that watches for new events in Google Calendar and then sends those event details straight into Google Sheets. This is a great way to keep a running log of meetings, appointments, or team schedules without entering everything manually. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll build the workflow step by step. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, type Google Calendar, then select it from the results. After that, choose your trigger event. For this setup, a common option is New Event, which tells Zapier to look for newly created calendar events. Next, connect your Google account so Zapier can access your calendar data. After the account is connected, select the specific Google Calendar you want Zapier to monitor. This is helpful if you manage more than one calendar and only want to track a certain one. Then click Continue. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will try to pull in a sample calendar event so you can confirm the connection is working correctly. Check that the sample data appears as expected. Then click Continue to move on. Next, click the Action step. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the Action app. For the Action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This means every time the trigger finds a new calendar event, Zapier will add a new row into your spreadsheet. Now connect your Google Sheets account. Once that's done, choose the spreadsheet and the worksheet where you want the calendar event information to be stored. After selecting the destination, map the Google Calendar fields to the spreadsheet columns. For example, you can match the event title to one column, the start time to another, the end time to another, and the description to its own column. This mapping step is important because it determines exactly how your data will appear in the sheet. When everything looks right, click Continue. Then click Test Step to make sure Zapier can successfully write a new row into Google Sheets. Verify that the row appears in your spreadsheet with the correct event details. If the test works, click Publish to activate your Zap. At this point, the automation is live. To confirm everything is working, create a new event in Google Calendar. Then check your Google Sheet and make sure the event information is automatically added as a new row. And that's it. Thanks for watching.